I'm Rachel Walla with Ally Safety. I'm a health and safety consultant, and I also do a lot of video work, hence the fancy background. I wanted to just give a quick testimonial for the Malta Dynamics X series. I think it's important to preface this so you know I'm not being paid to say this, although I did go down to Malta, Ohio and try it out. So I feel like I've got a good amount of practical experience with it to tell you what I think of it. So initially, I saw it on LinkedIn probably more than a year and a half ago, and I remember commenting, "What is that? I want one." And a few months later, by coincidence, I got the opportunity to go down to Malta, Ohio and do some filming for some videos and try out the X series. A couple things that I was curious about with the X series are how easy is it to move? How easy is it to use? What are all the applications for it? And what does it actually react to a fall like? Because I will always want to test things out and see what they actually work like. That's how I learn about them. And the team from Malta was awesome. They're really fun to work with. They're also really committed to the customer service aspect of their business. So that means a lot to me. They let me try out everything that I wanted to. I really put it through the paces and they let me try out everything. And I have to say, like, this is the most versatile piece of equipment that I've seen come on the market in a long time. So we used it for fall restraint, fall arrest, confined space rescue. We tried it out over and over and it was awesome. I think what makes it different for me and for what I think about for my clients is just that it can save you so much time and energy in planning fall protection systems for these shorter jobs especially. You can hook up 3 employees to it, 5 employees to it. You can go up on a roof with very little preparation, and you can pull it behind a pickup truck. So it's really nice to use. It doesn't take a lot of time to train people on. You can move it remotely. You don't have to drive it everywhere. So if somebody's not great at backing up a trailer, it's not like they won't be able to really carefully position it. And then also for the manufacturing clients, there's a stationary unit as well. I also enjoyed that they let me jump from it and fall from it. I felt like, number one, that was fun. And then also it was cool to see how it actually reacted. It definitely did a good job of slowing me down smoothly, making sure that the fall wasn't too jarring. And then just being able to rescue from the unit is really nice as well. So when you're doing your fall rescue plan, it doesn't take a whole lot of extra steps. So looking back on the experience a few months later, I'll just say this is the only piece of equipment I'm actually considering buying for my own company. And the reason is it just has so many applications. For example, I spent $500 renting out some confined space rescue gear for 2 days. So imagine a piece of equipment that can do so many different applications and how much time and effort you can save by planning, renting, coordinating all these different fall protection solutions you need for a lot of different jobs. I just think, in my opinion, the X series is kind of a no-brainer. It's super easy to use, super versatile, and it doesn't need a lot of maintenance. So I would say if you're thinking about it, definitely go do a demonstration and see if it's a good solution for your company. I learned a lot from the demonstration, and I was also really excited when I walked away because I felt like finally there's a solution for some of these problems that give me a lot of headaches in my industry.